Hey guys, it's beautyriotx. This is officially my last Allure beauty box. I'm never gonna order from them again. Their customer service is horrible. The boxes are okay. Once in a while you do get a box that's like, oh cool, but it's not very often. I just have an issue paying for samples. Like that's why I canceled Ipsy in the beginning. I get their bag now because I wanted to be on the plus bag list, but now I have the plus and I'm kind of taking a break from the actual small bag because I just don't use samples. So I signed up for this one. I canceled this one last year and I re-signed up for it again in December because I saw that they had some really cool stuff in December's box and I wanted it. So after I got that box, I emailed them saying, okay, I want to cancel. And then I got charged again for the second box that I hadn't received yet. And it took literally like 3 weeks for them to get back to me and cancel my goddamn subscription. So I'm done with them, I'm not ordering again. So this is the last box, but it's weird because it's definitely not their normal box. There's probably like a bomb in it or something. No, not really, I don't think they're gonna bomb me. At least I hope they don't. I've probably been put on a blacklist. Never accept this girl's money again. All right, so we have the little pamphlet I won't be looking at and everything comes in a bag. And it looks like there's some pretty good stuff in here. Whatever. All right, so the first thing I see is from Mally, and this is the Evercolor Shadow Stick in Burnished Bronze. It's a bronze shade. I'm not going to use it because I will never use this. I don't really use eyeshadow pens unless they're like icy, like metallic or like champagne shades for like the inner corner. Other than that, I won't use this, so I'll put this in a giveaway pile. The next is from Douce. I don't know how to pronounce this. It looks like douche. This is the Relentless Matte Crayon in the shade Winterberry, which I'm assuming is this like reddish shade, which seems pretty, but I'm not gonna open it again because I don't use lip pencils that often. All right, and the next thing is from Way, and this is it's the Scalp and Body Scrub. Huh? Refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub, featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. Let's see about that. I don't really know if I want to scrub my head the same thing I can scrub my body with. I'll definitely try this for my hair. I won't try it on my body. I mean, I guess it's not that big a deal, but I don't know. I don't know. I will try it though. That's cool. All right, the next is from Beauty Blender, and this is their Micro Mini Sponges. Now these are full size. Actually, so everything I've opened so far is full size. And I kind of feel like an asshole. But anyway, I'm still unsubscribing because it's not constant enough like this for it to be worth it for me. I'm also gonna save these for a giveaway because I already have like the green ones and I've never used them, so I'm not gonna touch these. So again, I'll save these for a giveaway. All right, the next is a nail polish. I don't wear a nail polish, so I'll be putting it in the giveaway again. The next is from Sunday Riley. This is 0.27 ounces. I don't know how big the original, like the real one is, but the real one retails for $85. All right, and the last thing in here is pretty fucking cool. And I need to look it up before I say anything. Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I love anything vitamin C or turmeric for my face. I will definitely use this. It's 0.5 fluid ounces and it retails, I will find out if this is full size. It looks like it could be, but I'll find out for sure. I'm not really sure, but that's fucking awesome. Basically, these things are amazing. I will totally use them. These things alone were definitely worth $15. And these definitely, I mean, this was definitely worth $15, but I just think overall, it's a good box. Have they all been good boxes? No, but that's with the chance you take when signing up for a subscription service. They're not all gonna blow your mind. And whereas this was a good box, their customer service is just so horrible. Like, you can't log into your account. Well, I can literally make the account and never be able to sign into it again, ever. It's infuriating. I've had friends have the same issue. They contact customer service and don't hear back from them for weeks. It's insane. To cancel their subscription or to change it or something because they can't get into their account. It's just way more hassle than it's worth. So for that reason alone, it's enough for me not to want to sign up again. If you like higher end beauty products like samples, then you will definitely like this. I'm just over it. But I'm very happy to try these things, like super happy. So that was it for my constant rambling. Oh, fun, it's snowing. That was it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for any, oh God, this spiel. Sometimes I just forget what I'm even talking about. Oh God, just hit notifications so you don't miss a video. That was it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.